Welcome back. Now, the interface of Microsoft Excel is designed to be similar to other Microsoft Office programs. For example, when you see the menu across the top, you'll notice that it's very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. In fact, you'll notice that the home menu is going to be very much the same. Microsoft Excel has what is called the formula bar, and the formula bar is going to pertain to whatever cell that you have highlighted. So for example, if we write the word Google into the cell that we have highlighted, you'll notice the word Google inside the address bar. That'll be the same if you have numbers in there also. And you'll notice that here. So if you highlight this cell, what you want to do is you want to write into the address bar to make changes. When you first click on a cell, you can write to that cell. However, if you go back subsequently, it may be more difficult, and what you want to do is use the address bar. You'll notice the word Sheets at the bottom. You'll notice the word Sheet at the bottom, which stands for spreadsheet, and every workbook has several spreadsheets, so the file that you're going to save can have an unlimited number of worksheets inside of it. So for example, what we can do is we can click this button that says New Sheet. We can add a second sheet. We can add a third sheet, a fourth sheet, and as many as we need. In order to make sure that these sheets are going to be identifiable, we can rename them, and we can click the Rename button. And Excel will allow us to write into this area. We can do the same thing for any other sheet. And then we can write in to make changes. In some cases, you're going to want to see more of the worksheet at a glance. And so you can do that by zooming in and making the sheet so that you can see more of it. You can also zoom out of the sheet where you can see the cells larger but less of it. As is always the case in all Microsoft Office programs, you'll have the opportunity to redo your last action. You can do that and by checking in all of the areas in which you have worked before, and you can go back over your work and redo certain steps. Now the bottom bar is also going to be customizable. If you go to this very bottom bar and you right click it, you'll notice that you can add in any information that you want to have here shown on your status bar, because as you're working inside of your cells, this status bar will tell you what's happening inside of the cell. And finally, just as you would inside of any other Microsoft Office program, each menu is going to have certain panels. For example, if we look at the home menu, we'll see the clipboard panel, the font panel, alignment panel, number panel, styles panel, cells panel, editing panel. And you've seen similar designs with Word, where you've got the clipboard panel, font panel, paragraph panel, styles panel, and editing panel. Same again with similarities with the clipboard panel, slides panel, fonts, paragraph, drawing, and editing. And we are now ready to begin working with the File menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.